Ghirardelli is known for making so many delicious things, from brownies to all kinds of chocolate candies. Well, it's really cool that they also have their own baking line, and this is their 100% cacao baking bar. It contains 100% unsweetened chocolate, which makes it a really great base for recipes that you might be doing that also involve sugar, so they're not adding more to the recipe with this. And thus, baking chocolate on its own isn't super sweet, but once you add this to a recipe and you add a little bit of sweetener in there, it becomes super decadently, deliciously chocolatey. It has a really rich flavor to it, and that's perfect for anything you might be making, like brownies or fudge or truffles, so it's really cool. This bar is about 4 ounces, which I think is approximately half a cup of chocolate, which I think will be pretty good for a lot of recipes, at least, of course, if they call for half a cup. But I think it'd probably be good for brownies with something like this. And so it's always good to have one on hand if you're looking to make something like that. It is super great. These ones melt really easily as well and are also kosher, so I would definitely check them out.